Hey guys, we're going without an intro because this is a nail tutorial. So first things first, these are the products you are going to need. So these nails I got at the Dollar Tree. They are short, natural colored nails. Yes, these are still good to use. They're not clear, but hey, we're gonna work with that. And I was shocked to see Kiss at Dollar Tree. Now we're gonna need some popsicle sticks, and these I also got at the dollar store. This is what the packaging looks like, and it brings 100. Some nail glue you are also gonna need, and this is by Kiss as well at Dollar Tree, people, and it dries instantly. A buffer, Dollar Tree as well. Well, this video is all Dollar Tree, and no, it's not sponsored or anything. It's just I wanted to do something that anyone can shop for and get nails done. So also I got this silly putty because I always use a poster putty for like my nails to set them on the little stand. So let's see if it works. I haven't tried any of these products yet. I will be doing a first impressions, I guess. And then next we're gonna use this alcohol, which is 50% alcohol. I know during this time it's a little hard to find it, but if you have it at home, just use what you have at home. Next, you're gonna need some nail polishes as well. And this is a base coat and top coat, which I love to use. And then I got all these colors here, and I don't know what I want to use, but I will find out. So let's get started and pull apart this putty and start wrapping it around the popsicle stick and try to see if the nails stick, obviously. So there goes a nail, and it just, I don't know, you can see that it had like, it looks like cuticle around the nail. It was pretty cool, but I don't know, I was having a little trouble. Like the nails were all crooked and just moving to the side. And here I put a little bit more because for some reason if I put a little bit, the nail just would not stick on. So that's what I did, and it's the only way I can get them to stick. So it looks like a cuticle's there. And then next, you're gonna need a buffer. This one is a 4-step one, which you don't need all that because this is more for like a natural nail when you're like doing on your natural nails. So we're just gonna use the step 1, which says shape. Oh my God, I can't talk. So you're gonna begin to buff the nail. I still buff the nail because I just want the polish and everything to kind of adhere better and not like have an overly shine to it. I don't know, but I do this. And of course, this wasn't working out too well for me. I had to like hold the nail down and buff it. It was hard. So I went to get my double-tated tape, and this is actually working better for me. I got this at the Dollar Tree as well, and I stuck it on to a toothpick. And I'll be showing you how I did that. So I'm just grabbing a piece of the tape, not too big, but I just put it right on top of it like that, on the pointy part. And then I kind of squish it very hard together, and then I just peel it. I don't know how else to explain it, but there you go. There you have it. And then I just stick the nail on, and oh my God, this worked so much better. So much better. Yep. Toothpick is the way to go. So now going in with alcohol, I'm going to just take all that powder or dirt, or I don't know what to call it, dust off the nails that I caused from buffing. And yeah. So this is definitely an important step. Now we can begin applying a base coat, and I do this to all the nails. Don't forget to do the tip of nail when you're doing this as well. And then I put it to the side to dry on the rest of the putty that I had left over. I used it as a little drying stand, and after 10 minutes, I go ahead and check the nail, make sure that it's dry. Usually it is. And then we can apply the color, which I'm gonna go in with this purple by LA Colors. Color Craze is the line, I guess, number 233. And it's so pretty. and it's called Garden Party. These are my nails. Oh my god, nails. These are my thumbnails. So these are the 2 thumbs are going to go purple. I do apply 2 to 3 coats of this color, and then I put it to dry on this piece of foam that I have. I also bought this at Dollar Tree. They have it in white or green. Now I'm going to go in with a white polish, and this is by LA Colors, Color Craze line as well, and the number 402. And this color is really nice. It's really white, and it's called Energy Source. My camera just would not focus on the name for some reason. And I am applying this white to my pointer fingernails, and then my ring fingernails I will be painting white as well. And I do apply 2 to 3 coats of this color because, I mean, it's Dollar Tree. We can't ask for a lot. And then going in with another LA Colors color in the Color Craze collection. It's the number 218. And this turquoise is so beautiful. This one is called Spring Fling. So nice. So this color... I kept seeing like little streaks, so I did go in about 3 coats in, and I was just like, okay, I think I'm good. And I did apply this color to the 2 middle fingernails. Now going in with this pink by LA Colors as well from the Color Craze collection. This is in the color Summertime. It's such a pretty pink. I loved it. This color had more of a transparency, so I did have to go in with 3 coats for sure. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And then I put them to dry. You can leave them like this because they look so cute like this too, if you're more of the, you know, leaving it natural. But I decided to go a little bit with a accent nail, and I'm gonna use these makeup sponges. They're like the little wedges, and I cut it right in the center, and then I am applying each color, starting with the blue, then the purple, and then the pink. I know I'm out of angle, but I kind of just did the colors one above the other just to do like an ombre effect. There it is, you see it right there. So I went with the blue, the turquoise, the purple, and then the pink, and then I applied it to the nail. So I did have to do this a few times just because the polishes, once again, are so like, they're not like dark right away when you put them on. So you have to work with it. So then I took another piece and I did the purple just separately. And then I did the same thing with the pink and the blue. Just if I missed a spot or if I went a little too far with the purple. Here I'm doing it with the pink and just adding a little bit more, and that's what it should look like. Now I'm just applying a top coat to the rest of the nails. I do the thumb, and now I'm doing the pointer finger, and now the middle finger and the pinky. I do not put a top coat over the ring fingers yet because I'm gonna go in with this nice little pink iridescent looking polish. And this is in the color Cupid's Arrow. So I'm going to apply this first just because I didn't want it to just be like simple, shiny. I wanted to add like a little bit of a iridescent look. I don't know, these nails are just giving me like mermaid vibes. And then after it dries, I do go in with a top coat, as you see. And there you guys have it. This is the final result. Oh, they're so pretty. If you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And hit that notification symbol so that you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And oh my God, this is the end. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.